Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of October. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So just take them as they resonate with you. So let's see what we have for Pisces. Okay, so we have the Page of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Four of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Ten of Wands, the Star, and the Sun. Seems to be pretty good as for now. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. Okay, so we have the Four of Diamonds, guidance from the angels for Pisces. Just being drawn to those cards, so just took them. Normally I take one card, I just felt like taking these two, so I've included them. So here we have the Page of Swords followed by the Knight of Pentacles. What I am getting here is with the Page of Swords that you are not being swayed by anything from walking towards what you want, towards your goal, towards your path. So you are walking towards something or approaching something, okay, and even if like the wind is against you, it's not stopping you, okay. So you are not being stopped at all by the wind which is perhaps flowing against you or trying to stop you. They can be energetic things or the obstacles, what in whatever way they are, but you are just gliding through it and just about to reach your target and approach, and you are least affected by whatever is against you, the winds which are against you, and you are just totally focused on whatever path you are treading, totally focused on what you want, totally focused. It's a very confident, cool, and so even if the path is tough, even if this path isn't easy, but you are able to glide through it. Actually, that is the word. You are able to glide through the path even if the winds are against you. But the winds are not very, they are not very sort of strong winds, but yes, something, whatever the obstacles are which are trying to stop you, you are just gliding through them peacefully. Okay, and you are about to reach your goal or wherever you want to reach, and followed it by the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. Here what I feel is that you are grounding yourself and achieving things, moving towards your goal very, very confidently. You have put in the work, you have achieved things and stability, and you've grounded yourself basically. So whatever it was, the things were against you, or You just glided that path of a little bit of opposition, if it was still there in some way, shape, or form, or whatever the obstacles were. You just kept moving, gliding through it, and now you are grounded and very, very confident, marching towards a new beginning, marching towards something which is very stable, very strong, very committed, and it's a new beginning. It's deep rooted. You've done that work. You are marching towards it now very, very confidently, moving towards it very, very confidently. It's a blessing, or it's sort of a new beginning which is being offered to you by the universe, and here you are going to achieve it, for moving towards this. And following this, we have the High Priestess, the Four of Pentacles, so again, that is your energy with the High Priestess and the Four of Pentacles. You, whatever this is for you, it's very close to your heart. Very, very, you are very, very emotional about it. It's close to your heart, and you are being very, very intuitive, being in touch with your intuition, being very, moving slow and steady, sort of, not rushing in towards it, not making any rash decisions or rash moves towards it, because it's close to your heart, close to your chest. You want to guard it, you want it, you've achieved this stability, and you're moving towards it slowly and steadily in a beautiful manner. And you have empowered yourself in this process. You've uplifted yourself in this process, in this journey. And here we have the King of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, again the Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is quite active in these readings. So, you know what? With this, you are moving slowly and steadily, achieving whatever you want to achieve, keeping things close to your heart, not showing much, not doing anything rash, guarding your happiness or guarding your achievements, whatever it is, not flaunting anything, not showing anything, just it's your own world, it's your own journey, sort of a thing. And here with the King of Swords, what I feel is, this is someone who is someone sort of who is watching you and is feeling very helpless over here. That's the vibe which I'm getting. This person is sitting there and watching as to what's happening. This person is feeling very helpless, and this person is not feeling good about themselves. Okay, it's something, that is the vibe which I'm getting over here. There is a person over here who is sitting there helplessly watching you because they really don't know what to do. Perhaps because you are not opening up if it is a relationship, and you are just doing what you need to do. And this is definitely the energy of a person who is sitting there shattered, really don't know what to do. It's this person is feeling bad, upset, and they are feeling helpless. They are feeling that withered type of an energy is there with this person who is watching you. They feel left out also. That's what I'm getting. This person feels left out and helpless as to what should I do, and lonely also. That's what I'm getting. Helpless, lonely as to what should I do. And here somehow what I feel is, with the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, I see you are in your own world. That's what I'm getting. You are in your own world. You are rejoicing in your own world. You are just not opening up. You are not showing anything. If there is, it's a relationship over here. If it was a relationship, you are just building yourself up, not showing anything, not revealing anything, and just working on your own self. This is the time you have with the Two of Pentacles here. What I am getting here is that you are in your own world, rejoicing in your own world, sort of dancing to your own tunes, with the followed by the Queen of Pentacles. It's all about you. It's all about you. You're totally engrossed in yourself, basically. That's what I would like to say. You're engrossed in your own self, engrossed in your own building up yourself. And here with the Ace of Cups, following the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Cups, the Ten of Wands, the Star, and the Sun. What else would you want? So what I'm getting here is, after establishing yourself, working on yourself, achieving what you wanted to achieve, so whatever the opposition was, whatever tried to dissuade you from this progress or this achievement, you have built up yourself slowly, steadily, on your own. I don't see there is any help. It's all about you, and it's your own world which you've created. And there is somebody who feels left out over there, helpless, left out, really don't know what to do. And now you've done that work. Here with the Ace of Cups, what I feel here is that you are guarding your heart, ready for a new beginning. We have Ace of Pentacles also here, and with the Ace of Cups. So now it's talking about emotions. So you've done that work and stabilized yourself perhaps. Now ready with the Ace of Cups, with the new Ace of Cups, I should say. Followed is the Ten of Wands, the Star, and the Sun. So what I feel is you are moving towards your wish fulfillment. You're moving towards your happiness with this newfound heart in you, with a newfound emotional satisfaction. So basically it is talking about, this is your new heart in the way, new emotions which you have worked upon. You have now guarded yourself, you guarded your happiness, you've revived your emotions to some extent perhaps. And after reviving your emotions, after completing that journey and being able to come in touch with your emotions once again, you are moving towards a new path or a new journey very, very confidently. And this is your new life, sort of. So you're ready to embark on a new journey with these newfound emotions, with the new heart, with the new love, whatever in yourself. It's not about anyone else, it's about you yourself, walking towards, ready with your new heart, with all found stability, towards your wish fulfillment, which is giving you, or you want something new in your life, you want your wishes to come true. Here you are as if wishing for dreams to come true, wishes to come true. And here with the Sun, it's being given to you, okay. So those wishes are coming true, you are moving towards your happiness, and it is being given to you. So it is like you've done that inner work, you've done stabilized yourself slowly and steadily alone. And here with your new heart, again and again I'm getting that word new heart. You can understand what I'm trying to say over here, okay. With the newfound emotions guarding your heart, you are ready to embark on a new journey which is going to give you a lot of happiness, and that is what you wish. And here with the Four of Diamonds, what I feel here is, this is somebody who is admiring you from far. This person is secretly watching you. Perhaps they really don't know what to do. And here we have three cards, Nine of Action. You worked hard to create the things you cherish in your life, such as beloved relationships, amazing accomplishments, hearth and home. Rest assured that these treasures and you are being constantly protected by your angels. In return, the Mother Earth and environment needs your protection. Okay, so you've worked hard for the things which you're getting now. Open your heart. Number 6, and maybe of some significance, open your heart. Allow love to grow and bloom all around you. You waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time, and now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart and then following the steps you are guided to take. Joy will lead you to a vibrant and a healthy life. It's a beautiful reading over here. And with a new beginning, you are at a beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you at every step of the day. You have unique gifts to offer the world if you just free yourself from what holds you back. New opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe. So this is what you need to do, and that is what you are doing. You are going into a new beginning. Beautiful reading, Pisces. I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.